Hi friends, it's Suzanne here from SunStampin.com, bringing you the May 2023 edition of Crafting at the Lake House. This crafting event took place in Kelowna, BC, Canada, right on the beautiful Okanagan Lake. The annual catalog was celebrated in the projects, so look for new, fresh ideas. There are 12 projects featuring 12 different Stampin' Up! Products, plus 2 bonus projects in this fun video mini-series. There is a link in the description box below to purchase the written PDF in case you're so inclined. I totally appreciate the support. Thank you in advance. So I do hope you have fun watching the videos and get inspired. Hello friends, and welcome to card number 12 of Crafting at the Lake House. This is going to be a coloring card, if you can't tell, with the Stampin' Blends already at the go. We are featuring the Sweet and Precious stamp set. I have stamped with my Memento Tuxedo Black ink the sentiment that says bring on the cuddles, and also inking up the sloth, and I believe it's in a bamboo tree. Don't quote me, I don't know if I've ever seen a bamboo tree. I'm just stamping that on regular weight, basic white cardstock. I'm starting to color the leaves of the tree. I'm starting off with the Old Olive Light, and then I move into doing the details or the shadowy parts with the Old Olive Dark. Sometimes I start with the dark and I move forward and pull out the shadows with the light, but I didn't do that this time. I colored everything light and then moved in with the dark. So this is the medium deep Stampin' Blend markers. They are also, if a couple catalogs ago, they would be called number 300 and 400. So they're just a lovely skin tone color, but they also sort of work well with trees and that sort of thing. Well, some of them do anyway, the darker ones. And this is Pecan Pie. I use light and dark for the sloths. And then I used Crumb Cake for their faces. All right, so I'm putting my favorite dry adhesive, Stampin' Seal Plus, on the back, and I'm adhering that to a Pebbled Path cardstock that's slightly bigger than the basic white. I'm taking some linen thread here and tying or wrapping it around 3 times. And then I am going to attempt to tie a pretty bow. And I don't know if you know about how bow tying goes on camera, but it's not pretty. And we just are going to skip right over that part. So look at my beautiful bow, you guys. It only took me a second. I'm going to adhere this piece with my twine with dimensionals to the Pecan Pie section, and then I will adhere this to, yes, the card base along with the sentiment. So this again is a make and take that we created for the Lake House event. The next Lake House event is in the end of September. If you are local and are interested in coming, reach out to me. All right, so this is the card, and then we're just going to put a little bit of dry adhesive and attach that to the Pebbled Path cardstock. And then up on dimensionals, and we're going to put that directly on the card. Actually, I don't think there was any dimensionals. Excuse me for saying so. All right, and I did mess up a little bit on the stamping, and this is the reason why you buy Stampin' Right markers, because it fixed it and no one's the wiser. So thank you so much for watching, subscribing, and doing all the YouTube-y things. I appreciate you so much. I will see you next week with 2 more Lake House projects, and then we're back to regular broadcasting. Again, thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.